Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's are Ogbuefi Ezeana and ugochitubelu Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're highly welcome once again. Before we proceed with today's questions, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as you are hearing my voice, under the influence of my voice, keep sharing it. Keep telling people about our administrations. Thank you.
The first question of this program: is it possible for someone's destiny to be collected or taken away?
Yeah, thank you. Yes, we often hear such comment. But as somebody as an authority in anything concerning spirituality, I will tell you categorically that such thing doesn't exist. Yes. Those things, concepts, emanated from people that have shallow minds of how things work in creation, and thereby limiting themselves and believing that someone is taking their destiny. It's not possible. People should stop believing on all those abracadabra. Yes. What I can tell you is that there is principles of success, and there is what is known as and called reciprocal actions, law of sowing and reaping, and laws of homogeneous species. Now, all these laws play a vital role in whatever you don't want to happen in your life, don't do it to another, because there is a karma and nemesis. Whatever you sow will definitely come back to you, to originate. That is the temporal law in nature. It's sowing and reaping. It's natural law. Galatians system. So the problem is that people normally sow negativity. Once you sow hatred, once you sow envy, once you sow wickedness, those things you are sowing against fellow human being will come back to you. Don't stop believing them any occultic or manipulation that will make somebody to take your destiny. It's not possible. I have worked and served so many prominent people during my time as a contractor, and I can tell you, no, they to adore. But those things normally, those mindset normally comes from people with shallow mind, maybe from Christians, so-called seers. They normally put those things, fear in you, so that you always be afraid of your uncle or your relatives, and therefore they will keep exploiting you, telling you that one person want to buy you, one person want to collect your this. All this is a fallacy. I can tell you. So what I'm telling you is that nothing of such exists. Now, what people think about maybe you stole from somebody, the laws of reciprocal action will ensure that somebody will steal for you, in order for you to feel how it pays. Therefore, if you are toiling without getting results, stop thinking that somebody is taking your destiny. Just look inside you. Know what you have done. If you are unfortunate, always get a good boy. Check how do you serve your master. How do you serve your master? Do you steal from him? Definitely someone will steal for you to strike a balance in creation. So when you are toiling and you are not seeing results, you will be thinking that somebody is owning your destiny. What you need is total change. Any new orientation, new mindset, and new work for, because if I pass through my class and teachings, I will be able to change your mindset. You will become a new person. Your mindset will change, and you will see that those things are not possible. I can tell you. Yes, if you know anybody you say that is a cultist that is collecting people's destiny, if you have the person give you money, please let the person give me money. Let the person donate to the place of worship we are doing. Let me see how he will collect our destiny. It doesn't exist. Thank you.
Must everyone suffer or reap the consequences of their father's sins?
Yes, and such a thing is do happen. Yes, you will see some places in the Old Testament where they would say I will use the sense of the father to receive, visit the children to the fourth generation. Now you see another place, I think in the Ezekiel, where he says that he will no longer use the sin of the father for the children. Let me tell you, say the simple or the nutshell. Let me tell you how it works in creation. As a spiritualist, I will tell you. Now, if your father is somebody that is a wicked man, somebody that is so envy of other people's success, somebody that is a murderer, somebody that commits lot of dastardly acts against fellow human. Now, their father have attracted negative vibration into the family by his actions. Now, if you're a child and you grew up and you heard about your father's misdeeds, come out openly and denounce those dastardly acts and say, I'm not in support of this dastardly act committed by my father. And not only talking it with your mouth, live it, as in live by example. If your father is someone that show wickedness to people around, show mercy. If your father is somebody that is so always envious of people's height and achievement, show friendliness, show accommodating. Just two opposite part of that your father, I can tell you, for standing, turning around against that negative vibration your father have brought upon the family, believe in me, the light will shine upon you and you will be different. And whatever that is holding others will not hold you. You know why? Ichegarigo machigaria. He call a spade a spade. You are not following the path of your father. You are not walking under the shadow of your father. Therefore, whatever nemesis that he attracted to himself will never be a portion. Because you follow the different way, different dimension. And you follow the light. And the light will always overshadow you and protect you. So that you will be a different thing. So, back my words. If you grew up and you heard that your father suppressed the poor, took people's land, and you came and you know, I will bear your own investigation that actually my father suppressed the poor within the neighborhood and took their land, what will you do? The right thing for you to do is to call the people involved. If your father is no more, maybe the whole thing is in your hands now. Say, look, I had so and so, though I wasn't there. However, it's from my mind to do restitution. Restore those things back to them. I can tell you, that nemesis, that anger, that darkness, that negative vibration that your father attracted to the family for the focus of his life will depart from you. And you will see that you will live a fulfilled life. It works like magic. So, but this is simple truth. But some people don't understand the spirituality or esoteric knowledge. Therefore, they keep stepping on toes. If you keep stepping on toes, one day you will find the water. So live a good life and fulfill life, and it shall be well with you. Thank you.
Is there such a thing as luck, or is everything solely about hard work?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Yes, some lazy people do believe that that luck will just smile on you without you working for it. And I'm still here to tell you, nothing of such exists. Yes. I'm a spiritualist. I will tell you from the point of knowledge that what people nobody see as luck, more work is not for the Christmas. What you don't deserve will never come to you. So the so-called luck, let me tell you what you think that is not like luck. Let's say your previous earth life, you lived a fulfilled life, and you deserve goodies of life. Maybe the way you live, like maybe you are from the poor home in your previous earth life, live a good life. You have already experienced what poor people normally experience. Now, because of what you achieve in your previous earth life, you need to experience what rich people experience. You need to experience children born in a silver spoon. Now, that necessitated that in your next world, you will be born in a rich man's home. or richer opportunities is there to you based on the what you have the previous life you have lived. So that thing will determine in your next life. Maybe you will be born in a family where you have it all. You have it all in your family. Therefore, some people will be looking at this, you are lucky. But I can tell you, it's because of what you walk down that deserve that, attracted that particular, what people look as lucky, the luck. Because they did not know when you are suffering. They did not know when you build the thing. Yes, but they just see the thing manifest. So the same thing that what is happening in the environment now. What people see as luck is that they see something happen to you, they thought that you did not deserve it. They call it luck. But I can tell you, life is all continuous carryover of your previous existence run concurrently with this your present earth life. So if you see people giving you goodies of life, dashing you money, everybody want to give you, everyone want to gift you. I can tell you, maybe in your previous earth life, you are a type that gives so many people. So those people are indebted to you in this present earth life. They will like to reciprocate in order to strike a balance. Let me tell you before I stop. Ọgaranya jere mba, anụ juru abịa, bụkwa ndị ọ na-enye enyerie. Daalụ.
What should a person do after performing all spiritual practices and nothing changed?
Yes, thank you. My advice is that once some people do say that they have been working from so many people many years ago, they have done everything virtually they were informed to do, whether from church and nothing seems to change. I will advise you, never give up. There is no good work, no sacrifice you perform that will go in vain. Onwere ajọ ọbụla ị chụrụ ga-abụ na chi ihe efu na ihe na-emenụ. Ndị mmadụ na-eche na ajọ ọbụla ha chụrụ ma ọ bụ ahịhịa ọbụla ha yọrọ ga-abụ approve. Let me tell you, even in the world of gross material, agwago m ọnụ na earthly happenings is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm. Etu ihe nọkịta, all the proposals he delo submit here for contract approving, or all the customers that came to your shop, or ha niile gụrụ ngwa ahịa, or ebe niile submit a letter for approval, or ebe niile ga approve. Na approve na does it mean na approve your letter? And ma che kọwala ụnụ. Ajọ ọbụla ịchụrụ bụ aja dị mma achụrụ ọfụma. Treatise na-eme. Either na that aja ahụ nwetara instant approval based of is long overdue for your blessings to come, or you will say he went did it. You will never return again. Then when the door na queue before you, it is turn by turn. Ma ọ bụ na asịrị gị mba na ama ebere ya because of there were so many other things who prevent imere those things. Threats, I can tell you, no what I job on the choro, but one on the spiritual work, or one charity work over the we invent. That if you didn't matter, feed the men saraka, I can tell you, more find their way to feed you and even feed your children. So what I job on the choro, Garan come up move for no worike, it's okay, bury here to a choose or otherwise. Example, then I took a BL Benz. Madam, when the guy I found on the kidnap one ya jubi, no narco. Ga plan ndị ga-agbaburu gị ka i wee taa afụ and onye ahụ mmụọ afụgo na onye ahụ anwụ na Disemba mmụọ wee sị nwa sorry bezi ahịa bịakịta bezi abịa na March desie Easter desie ka onye ilo wee nwụrụ then fọgụ nwa na onwe gị ị ga-asị na asara gị ekpere ọkwa eziokwu mana ụmụ mmụọ asago gị ekpere ihe asịrị gị wee ndidi maka na achọ ka ewepụgoro ihe a ga-abụ obstacle ga-abụ acha ga-eme na ọnwụ ga-agba ezu oke. Daalụ.
What is the difference between faith and conviction?
Thank you for that your question. Faith is okwukwe. Oga na je ka ti that's like gịnị wo okwukwe. O sị na okwukwe wo onye mmụọ Chukwu dị eme ọgụ. Ke ga-enyere anyị aka ikwere na ghara ịtụ iche ọbụna na ihe Chukwu egosi na. Ya na aza na catechism. Yes. Okwukwe bụ to believe what you have not seen. Yes. But conviction is ihe ịfụ n'anya. Yeah, on the Alpha language, I say no have to do senab. Conviction bụ ihe ịfụrụ n'anya. So ihe ifuru n'anya na-esi obi ike asịkwarị na ihe ahụ ịnwetara ọhụrụ ekweta isi wee chọọ maka na ihe ifuru n'anya ihe obi ga-esi ike maka enwere ike mmadụ enwere ike ịgwa gị na ndị ị na-eri ifuru ị na-afụ anya fụ na mmanụ dị ya mmadụ enwere ike ịsị na mmanya dị na ihe ekwe because ifuru ya n'anya. So faith is believing, can be described as believing in what you have not seen, but conviction is what you have seen, witness. That is the difference. So what you seen and believe is give more confidence than what you believe in, because sometimes what you believe in, sometimes when we catch an energy cigarette, it just the question he believe or not.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Ogbuefi Ezeana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. Ogbuefi, it's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, I'm keep praying for you, our fans all over the world. As you are hearing, seeing our messages, keep sharing our Philosophy and Life program, keep sharing it, keep joining us, keep learning. Kachukwu okike, gozi unu niile, bido ugbu a ruo mgbe niile ebi ebi.